So guys, the day has finally come. I'm literally now about to jump in the car and get my keys to the new house. I'm gonna do like a day in the life today. I've got a client meeting this afternoon. Well, not a client meeting, a new potential onboarding client meeting. So I'm gonna record that. I'm gonna go through closing them, the house move, my mindset. Look at that G-Wagon, nice.
Nice.
And so yeah, it's gonna be a big day. I'm absolutely buzzing. I can't wait to share this all with you guys. Sweet, okay, so literally now walking to the estate agent. I just wanted to go through, because a lot of you guys have been asking questions as to why I'm getting a bigger house and what my thought process is with the whole office thing, because recently I put on my story that I was going to be getting a new office for Affluent, for the academy and for the agency. And I went through this around in my head like time after time after again. Okay, should I get an office? Should I not? Is it gonna make me be a slave to it? And I literally have just been bouncing back and forth for so long, and for me it just didn't feel like the right thing to do. I feel like if it was the right decision to make, I would have known straight away. I would have been like, yeah, cool, I'm getting the office. And so it was gonna cost around $1,200 a month additional to the business to be able to get the office. And so I was kind of weighing up, okay, at the moment I'm living in a 2-bedroom apartment. It's a really nice apartment, but I've converted one room to an office, so really it's just a 1-bed. And so I thought to myself, for the sake of $1,200 a month, I've been wanting to get a property for ages, a new property, and it makes sense to upgrade the size. This new place is 3 beds and it's got a much bigger office space. So that's my thought process. I'm actually doing this instead of getting the new office, and the whole downstairs of this new property, you'll see when you see it, is going to be converted for business. The whole downstairs is going to be used for business use only, and then that means I'm going to have that separation from personal life and business life still, because I'll be able to just work downstairs. I'm going to have a weekend desk as well, and you'll see all of that when we do the house tour. But yeah, that's my thought process behind upgrading the house instead of getting the office instead. Porsche is not a suitable car for moving, which is why I've got a removals company coming. I've got all these boxes because I need to box everything up, but a removals company is going to essentially take all the wardrobes out, the sofa and all of that, because I am not doing that. 250 quid though to remove everything from the apartment to the new house, which is a no-brainer, which is good because there ain't no way I'm getting anything in here. Absolute mess. I am shattered, well and truly. And I did my typical thing today and bit off more than I could chew, and I had to call my mum in to help me pack stuff, because there is no way that I would have got this stuff done. And look, the place looks like an absolute mess. But we've got removals company coming tomorrow morning. They're going to take everything over to the new place. I've done a couple of rounds today. And yeah, I'm just laying on the sofa right now. And I'm going to do another round to the new place in a moment. And I'm probably going to get a Mackie D's on the way home for the first time in years, because I realise I haven't got plates or cutlery or anything like that. So that's going to be fun. I'm actually quite looking forward to that. But I was thinking today, like, I've had this weird, like, butterfly feeling in my stomach. I've been so nervous about moving into this new place. One, because it's a new chapter, it's a new beginning, and it's going to be crunch time within the business. I'm going to be so focused in this new place. But number 2 is it's actually really scary living on your own. And I know I've been doing it for the last year in this apartment, and this is the first time I ever lived on my own. And it's definitely a learning curve. Like, but when I look out the window, I'm in the centre of the city. It's so busy. There's people, there's cars. I walk out the door, and I'm literally in the centre of the city. But this new place, I'm just a little bit further out, but enough for me to look out the window and it's just countryside and there's not so many people about. And that's really daunting, because when you first live on your own, you have to really be comfortable by yourself. And as a sociable person who's always surrounded by people, that's like, yeah, it's hard to explain. It's a scary thing. But I am excited. It's going to be a new chapter, and I've got 2 new working stations. I've got a full-on office downstairs, which is bigger than the one I have now. And I have a working station upstairs as well, which is going to be my weekend desk. Thank you to the company Autonomous for sending me a sit-stand desk, one of the electric ones. So thank you so much. And I'll just show you, give you an idea. You probably remember this place from my house tour. Sorry, it's a little bit dark in here in a minute, but look at the office right now. It's been turned upside down. So this is one of the desks, the Let's Get Minted sign. I've literally got everything packed up, ready to go. Apart from that one desk. because I needed that for the client meeting today, and I'm going to do some work. I need to catch up on agency-based work, so I've got this one desk left, but by midnight that's going to be packed up. So, a lot to do, and I'll probably see you guys in the morning. I've got a neck beard, my face is still chewed up. I'm rocking Team Homeless. Send help, guys. Pretty much done. Room is empty. I forget how big this place is, but the new place is bigger. And I'm in. That was a chore. But now I need to find a coat in all of these boxes. I need to sort out all this stuff, and this is all you're gonna see until the actual house tour. But we've got a downstairs, and I'm not used to having a downstairs, so that is exciting. And yeah, I need to find a coat, I need to freshen up, I look at state, I'm not gonna have time for a haircut, which is a shame. But I'm now gonna go down to Snetterton race course because my friend is racing for McLaren, as I said. So we're gonna go there right now. Okay, so we're now en route to Snetterton, but I've got my mate Jamie in the car. I've just stopped for some food, and Johnny is in front now as well, come down to see the cars. But genuinely, like, trying to vlog on your own is like, oh, phones. It's like impossible. Like, moving house and vlogging is stressful, and so at least now I've got someone helping. But yeah, we're literally now pulling up to Snetterton, so to see some motors. Okay guys, so we're here at Snet. This is the McLaren GT4 car, and driven by Katie Milner. Go follow her on Instagram. I'll put a handle here somewhere, and she's testing today, and we're gonna have a look at all of the other cars which are going out. What a machine, look at this, what a bit of kit. Look at that wing. Nice. Okay guys, it's the end of the day and I am absolutely knackered. But here we are. We're in the new house, in the new kitchen, and this is all you're gonna get to see. Hopefully this angle's all right. I've just thrown the camera up because there's boxes everywhere and I need to get this all sorted. There's so much to do. But it just feels so weird being in this room right now. This is the kitchen and lounge, which is bigger than the whole apartment I literally just had. And it's weird, this feeling. It's like, it's really humbling to be here, but it's exciting at the same time, and also just strange to be 25 years old, moving into my dream home 2.5 years after launching my business. This is literally the kind of place that I would draw when I was studying architecture in university. I would literally draw this kind of a building, ultra modern, technology rich, brand new build, no one's ever lived here, there's still plastic on the oven, and it's amazing. It's just the most incredible feeling. I can't wait for this whole summer, this whole year is just going to be so good. I had a fire pit delivered today, which is it's just so good. I can't wait to show you guys. I'm going to do a full house tour in the next 4 to 6 weeks. Because I want everything here. There's so much room to fill, so I want all the art on the walls. I need to get some new furniture, and I need to maintain the businesses and grow the businesses at the same time. So it's gonna take a while to do that. So bear with me. And this is just testament to literally what can be achieved in 2.5 short years when you put your mind to something. Literally 2.5 years ago, I launched my digital marketing agency, and now I'm moving into the house of my dreams. And I still consider myself only just getting started. And this is nothing other than the product of pure resilience, hard work, and discipline. And there's not been a straight line to success. Anybody that tells you there's been a straight line, they're talking shit. It's like there's all these little things, and you have knockbacks and you have rejections, all right? But as long as you're moving forward, as long as you keep moving forward, you're gonna get there, okay? You visualize what you want to achieve and you just fucking get there. You make it happen no matter what. I can't even tell you how many people 2.5 years ago, when I said I was going to quit my job to start a digital marketing agency, how many people said to me, Jordan, you're taking a huge risk, you're losing a big salary, you've got career prospects, you're great at sales, why don't you just build up in sales, why don't you become a director, why don't you be a managing director in a company? Even my mum and dad would be like, Jordan, like... And so, I just had to be like, nah, guys, listen, just trust me. I know what I'm doing, I'm going to do my thing. And if it doesn't work, then I'll come back to it. And you just have to accept that other people aren't going to have the same mind frame as you. People will try and talk you out of it. But you need to take the risk. You have to do what other people aren't willing to do so you can have what other people can't have. And it's as simple as that, as cheesy as it may sound. There's nothing, even just right now, there's nothing I have done that separates me from what anything or anybody else can achieve. I've just fixated my mind on a goal, and I've worked relentlessly until I've got there. And I set goalposts every now and then that I want to live in the house, and then I wanted to have the apartment, then I wanted to have the car, and it's not just about material things, it's about personal and mental achievements as well. But you need to set goals and you need to fixate your mind on them, and you need to visualize yourself living that life that you want to live for you to get obsessed with it. So you are able to handle rejections, you're able to handle no's, you're able to handle shit days and pushbacks and tired mornings and tired evenings because you're fixated with where you want to go. And yeah, guys, I'm rambling, I'm getting on the run, yeah, this is what I do. But going back to the topic at hand, I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you, genuinely, whether you have just watched this as the first video I ever watched of mine or whether you've been watching me for 2 years. I could not be here if it wasn't for you guys, and I'm so grateful for all of you who follow my content. I genuinely wish all the best success for all of you. I have a vision for a world where all aspiring entrepreneurs find success, because I know how it felt when I was first starting out, or before I even knew about social media marketing, when I was crying out to be successful but I didn't have a path to get me there. I had no direction and no one to follow, and I want to be that guy for you lot. I want to be able to help you out. That's why I give away more free value on my YouTube channel. I give away more for free than most people have you pay for. My YouTube channel has more valuable content than the majority of online training programs out there. And that's why when we do put out a program like the Affluent Academy, it blows away anything out there. Anything in the entire world, there's not a single other program in the world which comes close to the comprehension of the Affluent Academy. Because I genuinely want to help as many people be successful as I possibly can. And I am testament to what can be achieved in 2 short years in business when you put your mind to something. So, thank you. I'm so excited for what this year has to come. I can't wait to share this excitement with you. More vlogs, more content, more value, more life. That's the end of this video, guys. If you've enjoyed it, please do drop me down a comment. If you enjoy this lifestyle-y vlog kind of content, please do let me know. It's always good to have feedback, and I'll make sure I make more videos that you want. So thank you guys, and I'll see you all very, very soon. I'm gonna go to bed, then I'm gonna crack on getting all this shit sorted. Cheers, guys.